22 minutes to go. I'm just gonna go ahead and sit right here and do absolutely nothing. My strategy is not to put any bids on. I'm just gonna hover for the next 20 minutes, so until there's like 2 minutes left. And then when there's 2 minutes left, that's when I start moving mad. So I'm gonna put, with about 1 minute to go, 2 minutes to go, I'm gonna put a big bid down, and then I'm just gonna hold out. If someone swoops in the last 30 seconds trying to nudge a little £5 on, my bid is just gonna dominate them. Really, really hope it works, because I really want this bike. It'd be sweet. But yeah, I'm just gonna sit here and stare at it for 20 minutes. Oh, I'm stressing out. This fucking gorilla pod. Right, exactly 2 minutes left right now. So I'm gonna put a bid for 150. Bid for 150 in exactly 1 minute left. I'm gone. I literally cannot lose this. They're done for, mate. I will not be losing. Right, 30 seconds, nice one, you're about to win. Don't snooze, I won't. Come on. Don't screw me now, 10 seconds. This might be me, it might be me. Yes! 1970s, green rally, Hercules, bicycle, 3-speed, that's all me. Hi, welcome to Aaron's Restoration Workshop, here in the heart of the big city. As you can see, the bike was arrived. It's kindly delivered by the person I bought it from. Gonna have to put this puppy back together, then see what we gotta sort out. Should get cracking. I feel like they don't use matches, but it's all I had. This segment is actually sponsored by Harvey Barker's Tools. Alright, so that's pretty much the bike together, apart from the mudguards. I think I'm just going to take it all apart and see what's going on. Oh, right. Holy! Come on, y'all. Oh yeah, look at that. It's in focus now because the camera's like, damn. Access, look at that, 360. That's kind of disgusting. Look at that. I must say, I am almost concerned with how effective that nitro remorse was. There we go. Alright. Wheel number 2. Holy day. You can see This is how long it's been. Probably like a week, couple days, you know, grow facial hair real quick. What can I say? And I think that's the last stuff to do. Then it's just working out how to put it back together. Let's clean some mud guards. Alrighty. Okay. Today might be the day we spray. I mean, today is going to be the day that we spray the bike, finally. Everything's now been painted. This isn't connected. Now it's just a case of working out how to put it back together. Oh, well, that's quite a major issue. This chain is the wrong size. Of course you can get the wrong size chain. Alright, what's up? Right, I think we're done. The only way to know truly is to test it on the streets. That's all I filmed. Yeah, that is literally everything I filmed. I feel like I didn't get any good visuals at the end of the bike, but you just have to take my word that it is perfect in every way. There is no issues with the bike whatsoever. Very lightweight. The gears work flawlessly. It's quite comfortable to ride, actually quite fast. Certainly better than a Boris bike, probably. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Kind of just became like a montage of me making it in the end. It took a lot longer than I thought it would. Who knows anymore? Subscribe.